Hello guys, welcome back to PC Resolve channel. In this video we are going to see how to secure Windows 10. Step 1. Don't sign in with Microsoft account. If you have already signed in, follow through the video to know how to sign out. Search settings in the search bar. Go to accounts. Now click sign in with local account instead. Click next. Type your PIN. Provide a username. Provide a password if you need. Click sign out and finish. You can skip this step if you want your Microsoft account. Step 2. Go to privacy and settings. Turn off all the tracking services under General section. Go to Speech and turn it off if you don't use speech recognition. Disable the inking and typing personalization. Don't worry, you can still use your graphics tablet without an issue. Turn off tailored experiences under Diagnostics and Feedback. Click Delete under Delete Diagnostics data. Now set the feedback frequency according to your wish. I am going to set it as never. Go to Activity History. Uncheck Send My Activity History to Microsoft checkbox. You can also uncheck the Store My Activity History in this device checkbox. Turn off the location setting. You can choose the apps which should or should not access your camera and microphone. Step 3. Open the search section in settings. Click Clear Device Search History. Turn off search history on this device. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel and set the bell icon to all so that you will be notified for upcoming videos. Feel free to comment your thoughts and queries below.